On this video, we're going to learn how we can customize the coming soon staging mode on the Ring Directories site so you can have better control over it. There's more things that you can do, but I'm trying to simplify the video here. So we'll only be able to control which pages they can actually see and where you can redirect them to. Okay, so let's begin. You have your site, and for some reason you don't want people to see it. It could be because you're developing the site, it's because you're going to do a version 2 of it, etc., etc. Okay, there's something happening on the side, and you need to put it in staging mode. For staging mode, we go to settings, general settings. You see this here, website status, live mode. You put in staging mode. Should be called developing mode or something. Well, you put in staging mode. If you want to edit the staging mode page that shows, the moment that you select this, this will show here. See, edit coming soon page. When you click on it, this happens. You go to a special page where you can edit with the basic content blocks here that you want to put there, or leave the default that's there. That's a 2-column thingy, if I remember. What I did is just customize this for somebody else so they would see it. Um, but you can customize it here and go a while. The moment that you save this, anybody that goes to the site and not to a specific page will see the coming soon page. Okay. But if they actually go to any other page, like the home, like for example the search results, they're gonna end up seeing it. And maybe you don't want that. You don't want people to be able to see the, the site. So for that specific case, we go to settings, design settings, and then custom CSS head. And the additional head code, you're gonna paste this here. I made it really black for you for the video, so you can actually copy it, type it in, and just yeah, you get the experience there. Once you pause the video, you copy all this, then I can continue explaining what this is. The first line, this line here, takes care of detecting what current page they're in. This following, this is an extra here. The following tells the system, tells this script, hey, they are allowed to see these specific pages. You need to keep the slash there because that's how this gets parsed. But other than that, this is the coming soon. Any other additional pages are just additional pages they can actually see. So let's say that if I go to this one, science, if I click on it, it will automatically redirect me to the coming soon. Okay. Let's say that you want to add another page here. You want to give them the ability to see the about page, which I also have in there. Let's save that. And if I try to go to the about page, I'm able to go to it. But if I try to leave that one and I try to go to anywhere, including the join page, it will redirect me again to the coming soon page. So with this, you have better control over which pages that they can actually see on the site, but also to which page they actually get redirected to, because sometimes you want your staff to see specific pages, but you don't want the public to see your new uh, added value directory that you're giving for your members, because maybe you have another site or something like that. So this is a great idea to redirect them to the actual official page instead of the homepage of the actual directory. You can also do that too. But for your staff members, you can tell them which pages they can actually see. Okay. So this works out quite well as a basic way of managing this part of the BD site. So I hope this video helps. Big hugs to everybody and think positive as always. Bye.